Hello and welcome to this tutorial on searching the library catalog for archival materials. This tutorial will show you how to search and request the USC Libraries Catalog for archival materials like personal papers, correspondence, legal records, and files. The goal of this tutorial is to familiarize catalog users with the search and filter functions, as well as the request process for archival materials. USC Libraries has several repositories that hold archival materials. Because the materials are rare and often fragile or valuable, they must be requested in advance through the library's catalog and are only available to be examined in the dedicated reading rooms. Anyone, including the public, can search or request and examine archival materials at USC Libraries. Start by going to libraries.usc.edu. The default search bar is set to search through everything. This can be reset in the drop-down menu according to the types of materials you would like to browse or search specifically. In this example, we will be searching for archival materials at USC Libraries, so you should choose the Archives at USC option from the drop-down menu before starting your search. This refines your search to just archival materials at USC Libraries. To start your search, enter your search term or subject interest and click the magnifying glass to begin. To demonstrate, if you set the category to Archives at USC and type Gay Activists into the search bar, your search will bring you to a new page, yielding 64,246 results. This new page gives further options on narrowing down your search. This page will show your results on the left, ordered by relevance, and filter options in the right column. Since there were tens of thousands of results for your search term, filtering is a good idea to refine your results. In the right column, under Additional Filters, you may choose a repository to filter your search to only archival materials held, for example, by the One National Gay and Lesbian Archive. Or you could select Photographs under Subject to limit your search to only photographs, reducing your results to a more manageable number of 99. From here, you can again use the filters on the right to narrow down your search further, for example, by limiting results to a specific name or to a specific repository. You can also choose simply to browse through your search results listed in the center of the page. The results of your search are shown at the collection level, which means that there are usually many items inside each collection. Clicking on the One Archive subject file photographs, you are directed to the overview page for this collection. It shows you a scope and content note, which is a short description of this collection, relevant dates, and, scrolling down, where this collection is stored, what language it is in, and additional details. Under the term extent for this collection, it says 8.4 linear feet, 2 boxes, 25 binder boxes, 1 flat archival box. This means that there are various boxes of archival materials in this collection. In the right column of this collection overview, there is a section labeled Collection Organization. This section shows the user what subjects and materials are in the collection. In this collection, there are items on events, organizations, and topics 1959 to 2006, people 1929 to 2004 and undated, publicity photographs 1928 to 2005, and more. Each subject has a drop-down option to show specific items in this collection that are part of that subject. Let's say we choose Events, Organizations, and Topics 1959 to 2006 and then select AIDS Healthcare Foundation, October 24, 1990. If you are interested in this particular item, you may click on it to be directed to the item's library record. This item record will tell you in green below the title of the item that it is located in Box Binder 21. And underneath, in yellow, it tells you that the collection is located at our One National Gay and Lesbian Archives. If you are unfamiliar with the repository listed or would like to see its address, scroll down and click on Repository Details to get more information. If you would like to cite this box and its contents in an annotated bibliography, a paper, or other publication, you can click the Citation box at the top right corner. This provides a full citation that you can copy to a clipboard and then paste into a text or Word document. To request this item to review in the reading room, go to the top right corner of the item record page and click on the square button labeled Request. This will first enact a pop-up window confirming your request for this specific item. Clicking the red Request button will direct you to the Specialized Collections Request System. Here you must register for an account, which allows you to request this item to examine in the reading room. In this request form, you will need to choose a date for your visit. It can take about a week and sometimes even longer to retrieve archival materials because they are stored at multiple locations, so plan in advance for this retrieval time. You will receive an email when your materials are ready to use in the reading room. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using the USC Libraries Catalog to search for archival materials. If you are interested in learning other searching tips for USC Libraries, please see our other tutorials.